What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Junior Markets YouTube page. If you're new to the YouTube page, make sure to check out our website. I go over a bunch of stuff like this for new investors. But today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be going over a regression, a linear regression model. So the point of this is to see the correlation between two factors and to see if one thing affects another thing. So I'm currently in Smith, which is a student managed investment fund at my college, and we use these a lot. And since I tailor this website and this YouTube page to more younger kids and it's more beginners, I feel like this could be something nice to add to a report or to add to a presentation in case you're in a similar club or in case you need something like this. So to start off, first you need to have 2 points. You need to have an independent and a dependent variable. So today we're going to be using revenue of non-alcoholic drinks in millions, of course, and then the average cost of beverage with inflation. So I am a senior analyst and I'm overseeing two junior analysts, and we're working on a industry overview project, and we're doing consumer staples and the beverage industry. So this is the linear regression we're going to use in our presentation. And so I figured I'd do a video on how to do them in general, just using this as an example. So this is going to show us how correlated revenue is to the average cost of a drink with inflation. So as inflation brings drink prices up, does revenue continue to go up, or are these two things correlated at all? So the first step is obviously highlight all your data, and then you're going to go to insert, and then you're going to go to scatter, and you're going to want to do a scatter chart. And that is pretty much what we're going to start with right there. So now you kind of have a linear regression, but we're going to clean it up a little bit because for Smith, it's all about presentations, because when you have to present in front of the firm, you want everything to look nice. So we're going to start out our minimum at 300,000 so you can better see all of the values. And then we can do some other um, small things to help the chart. So one thing that Excel provides you is in layout 9 is a linear regression. So I get rid of that. And then you can increase this size. And then this is your equation. So R squared, that means it's a range anywhere from 0 to 1. And the closer to 1, the more correlated these two factors are. So as we can see, this factor is pretty much 1. So that means these two things are very correlated. And you can see that with a trend line. So if we get rid of that trend line, you need to have a trend line. And you can go in here and add a trend line this way, just a linear trend line, or you can add it through the layout 9 like I showed. And then if it doesn't already come with the axis titles, then you can go into chart axis titles and horizontal and vertical axis titles. So then you can put that in there. So then I would copy and paste revenue and the average cost into those axes. And then some of the other things that we like to do is get rid of these lines. Just helps clean it up. Make everything black, make everything bolded, and that just helps kind of clean up the look. But that is just a quick overview on how to make a linear regression. Now, this is a shorter video. I will be making another video on ratios and metrics that our sector uses to help evaluate companies. I will either be making that tonight or tomorrow, and it'll probably come out tomorrow because I'm trying to do uploads every other day or every 2 or 3 days now that school's back in session. So this is like just a quick little overview, just to have it out there in case anyone needs just a quick way to build a regression. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any more questions, make sure to check out the Junior Markets website as well as on all socials, Instagram. It's all linked in my YouTube. So if you have any questions, make sure to check that out. And thank you so much for watching.